amazing. The view was absolutely gorgeous, and I can't believe it is located in Nuapada. Wow, the vibe was different and very good. Is it worth coming this long? Definitely, it was worth coming all this way.
भीगी भीगी रातों में मीठी मीठी बातों में ऐसी बरसातों में कैसा लगता है